All right, if you have an active bankruptcy on your credit report and you are thinking about hiring a credit repair company, then this video is definitely for you. If y'all don't mind, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, be greatly appreciated. Okay, so if you have an active bankruptcy on your credit report and you are thinking about hiring a credit repair company, just know this. A credit repair company cannot legally work on your credit while you're in active bankruptcy. So my agreement was typed up by an FCRA lawyer. Literally says in the agreement, if you are in an active bankruptcy, we cannot help you. The bankruptcy must be dismissed or discharged. As you can see right here, not going to say who this person is, but somebody reached out to them about a bankruptcy and he says it's okay, we don't need to wait. Be careful who y'all hire. If they don't even know this, then what do they know? So many companies are doing stuff illegally, and it's sad, honestly. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. If you are in a current active bankruptcy, you have to wait until it's been discharged or dismissed before a credit repair company can touch it. If you don't believe me, look it up. Hope y'all have a great day.